Did you know that about 10% of cars that were sold just last year were all Toyota Vioses or Vios models? Well, there's got to be a good reason for that. So today we're going to find out exactly why the Toyota Vios remains a bestseller despite being stuck in the current third generation in today's Z-List. Of course, the first reason why the Toyota Vios is such a bestseller in the Philippines is the price and the value proposition that it offers. So from a 1.3 liter base model that's priced around 706,000 pesos for a manual transmission, you can get your own Toyota Vios. In fact, you can see a lot of Toyota Vios being used for fleet use, for taxi use. It is just quite the versatile model that you really can't go wrong with it. So again, the first reason why you're going to buy a Toyota Vios is the price and value proposition. The second reason why you'd want to get a Toyota Vios is the performance. But don't get me wrong, this is still a small subcompact sedan that's really not meant for performance, but it's still pretty powerful. The 1.3 liter naturally aspirated variants, they got a 98 horsepower and 123 Newton meters torque, which is enough to push this small light frame around town and even going around those canyons. Now, you've also got a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine in the top of the line GRS and the G variant. That pretty much has 106 horsepower and 140 Newton meters torque. Now, if you think about those numbers, 10, 15 years ago, those particular figures can be found in compact sedans. But right here in this small mid-size sedan, that's really not lacking in space at all. You got that power that you need. The third reason that I see that the Toyota Vios is such a popular model is all the space that you're getting inside. I mean, it is still a subcompact sedan, don't get me wrong, but take a look at this one here on the top of the line GRS model. The top of the line GRS model has these leather seats and this nice suede leather right there in the middle, plus you got a GR badging right there on the headrest. In the back, it gets even better. You got a flat floor, completely flat floor right there on the second row seats, and they're fairly comfortable and very spacious as well. Even for myself, with a 5'10.5" frame, I can still fit there in the back, no problems. Now, you won't find any USB ports or aircon vents or whatever, but it's fairly spacious. It definitely has everything that you need when it comes to that part. Number 4, the Toyota Vios is also one of the most fuel-efficient subcompact sedans in the market today. Based on our drives and testing, the 1.3 liter CVT can actually get you 11 to 12 kilometers per liter in the city. That's definitely mind-boggling, especially for the performance that it gives you. And you've also got the 1.5 liter CVT, and that can actually net you 9 to 10 kilometers per liter in the city. This one here is pretty special. The GRS model actually has more gears to play with, more simulated gears to play with. You got 10 speeds here, and it is just one of the most fuel efficient subcompact sedans out there. You really can't go wrong with the Toyota Vios when it comes to fuel efficiency. Number 5, the Toyota Vios is also one of the most versatile vehicles out there. You can use it for business, you can use it for daily and personal use, but most importantly, check this out guys, we've been doing this for the past few years now. We've been using it at the Toyota Vios Cup. This is just a very capable vehicle and a blank slate that you can actually build on. I can see why people are flocking towards the Toyota Vios because it's like pretty much like an iPhone. You got accessories for it up the wazoo, or should I say gazoo. All right, now number 6. Now I'm not sure if a lot of people will be agreeing with me on this one, but the Toyota Vios, it doesn't look quite bad. It's experienced its second facelift already. It's well proportioned. It doesn't look too odd looking. It actually looks like a car. This Vios is beautiful inside and out. And I still contend that even though there are lots of models, newer models out there, their benchmark, their target is still this one here. And again, 35,000 people can't be wrong in purchasing the Vios. And the last reason why a lot of people get Toyota Vios, need I say it? Yep, it's a Toyota. Toyotas have been around for quite a while now, and the reputation that they built for being a reliable, sturdy, and durable, and of course long-lasting vehicle is out there. Plus, their after-sales support is pretty much comprehensive. You've got a lot of service centers to work with. You got a lot of people who are actually active and passionate about working with your vehicle and working to keep you happy. The Toyota Vios is simply the complete package for me. Again, the Toyota Vios is not going to be the sportiest. It's not going to be the most technologically advanced. But as a car, as a subcompact sedan, the package that it offers you is pretty comprehensive, and that's the word I'm looking for, holistic. Alright, so that's all I have to say about the Toyota Vios. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much, Toyota Motor Philippines, for lending us the Toyota Vios GRS so that we can feature it and do this kind of video. So drop me a comment in the comment section down below and tell me what would you like us to feature, what types of topics you'd like us to discuss on the Z list. So thanks so much for watching. This is Roy Robles from zigwheels.ph. I will see you guys next time.